This review is of Kroger's salad kit with cranberry walnut. It's got spring mix, feta cheese, herb seasoned flatbread strips, dried cranberries, and walnuts with balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Doesn't that sound lovely? I'll bet you're jealous. I know I'm looking forward to trying this. Here are the nutrition facts for you. Alright, let's dig in. I am really excited about this. Usually I make my own salads because generally speaking, when you buy a created salad in the store, it's not fresh. And this is certainly not a fresh one. But, you know, really if you make your own salad with fresh ingredients that you just bought, oh, the taste difference is so wonderful. And my personal preference is to take the salad ingredients and put them inside of a burrito wrap. So I guess you could call them salad wraps. And I put in things like, obviously, lettuce and tomatoes and onions and mushrooms and radishes and cucumbers and shredded or grated carrots, or, you know, I use a shredding knife, and sometimes other stuff too, like bell peppers or hot peppers, stuff like that. So really excited about this, even though it is not fresh. So let me just put everything together here, except for the feta cheese, which I will not be eating because I'm lactose intolerant. Okay, so I've got it ready here, and the only problem with this salad is that all the, all of the raisins and nuts fall to the bottom, so it's hard to get them on the first bite. Also, when I got done pouring the dressing on it, I noticed that this is sweetened balsamic vinaigrette. Now, because of the salad dressing, I really can't taste much of anything else in here. But, you know, if you're not averse to a sweetened balsamic vinaigrette, this is fine. And honestly, given that some of the leaves in here have a stronger flavor, it's probably for the best of anybody to have a strong sauce or dressing. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Okay, now that I'm almost done with it, I'm going to add this comment. First of all, you know, all the bread strips and the walnuts and the raisins end up on the bottom. So what I noticed when I got to the bottom is that because the dressing is sweetened, the raisins added to the dressing makes it just too sweet. So I would personally say that if you're going to eat this, put it in a wrap. Don't eat it like this, and that way you can distribute it and you can replace the sweetened balsamic vinaigrette if you want, because it's a lot of sugar. So just that's what I really wanted to let you know. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.